Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Deepshikha. In today's video, I am going to share with you two affordable makeup fixers and one setting spray. Why setting spray is important? Setting spray is also important as it makes the makeup long lasting. It smoothens the layers of makeup and makes it look more natural. We can use this setting spray in between the makeup. Let's start with the setting spray. This is from the brand Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. The packaging is super cute and travel friendly. It gives 24-hour oil control. As I have told you earlier, setting spray can be used multiple times. Whenever you feel that your makeup is getting matte, you can use it that time. The price of this setting spray is $6.99 and the quantity is 60 ml. So now I am going to show you the application. मैंने foundation लगा लिया था, उसको set कर लिया था, तो now I am going to use this. You need to shake the product before using it. I am going to apply it on my entire face. A spray is of a very good quality, I must say. You need to wait for at least 1 minute to dry it up. It instantly melts my makeup and make it look more natural. My makeup looks quite flawless after using this product. As this product claims that it gives matte effect, but I recommend this to every skin type as this gives a dewy effect on my face. I haven't applied the highlighter yet, तो मैं अब highlighter लगाने वाली हूँ. तो उससे पहले I am going to take a brush and going to spray थोड़ा सा product brush पे and going to apply the highlighter. My highlighter looks more natural after applying this step. Can you see that glow? I'm going to review two makeup fixers which are affordable as well as work wonders. Before moving further, I'm going to tell you why makeup fixers are a must for makeup lovers. Makeup fixers are very important as they make the makeup long lasting. No matter it's summer or winter, you need to apply makeup fixer after the makeup. How great quality makeup you apply on your face, it is bound to smudge. If you don't apply makeup fixer, it will smudge and not going to last. So the first makeup fixer is from Swiss Beauty. This is what the product looks like. This makeup fixer contains aloe vera and vitamin E. This cost me rupees 249 and the quantity is 70 ml. This is of very good quality and it makes the makeup long lasting. And the second one is from the brand Blue Heaven. This is what the product looks like. I love the packaging of this product. Can you see this? The glittery effects it gives. This is the long lasting makeup fixer. It gives dewy glow to the face, silk matte effect, and it is paraben free. It is non-sticky and gives matte finish. I have completed my full face of makeup and now I'm going to set it with a makeup fixer. I'm going to apply the Blue Heaven makeup fixer on my left side and the Swiss Beauty one on the other. Shake it first and then use it. सेट होने के लिए इट टेक्स एटलीस्ट 1 मिनट. उसके बाद ये कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. This side I have applied the Blue Heaven makeup fixer and this side Swiss Beauty one. This is what the result looks like. It instantly gives glow to my face, as you guys can already see. It sets my makeup in place. I have applied this one on my right side and this is what the outcome. As this product contains aloe vera, I can easily smell the aloe vera in it and I quite like the fragrance. This product claims that this gives dewy glow to the face and you can easily see it. And if I compare to this side, this is more into matte side. So if you are a oily skin person, you can use this one. And if you are a combination to dry skin type, you can easily go with this one. All the products are easily available on Nykaa and Amazon. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Bye.